10, 20, 30, 40. Hey yo, good morning people squad, what is freaking poppin'? And in this video today, we're gonna be showing you how to make a, fix a two-sided fidget spinner if it all came apart. So, before this video starts, I wanna give a shout out to my boy, Casey_Barada. He made this video before me, and then it was his idea, and then I kind of stole it. Not because I didn't have any content. Hopefully, they didn't hear that. And then, give credit to Casey_Brada. Link is going to be down below in the description. And, yeah, I'm sorry for not posting in a while. I just gotten confused and, what to do. Yeah, I was confused what to do. I was, thinking and stuff. And so, let's just get into it. So, you have, your round piece. You have your other round piece. Oh, okay, that was loud. You have, this bearing. These two bearings. And you have, this one. So, if you, spin it a few times, first put this bearing into there. I already put it because this one's hard to put it in. And then, give it a few spins. Okay, once you have that, grab your piece, put it in, then grab your other piece and then put it in the middle. Then spin it a few times if you can, try to work it, and then twist and twist and twist it. Keep on twisting it until it's good. Until you feel something kind of loose. Just do that. Then grab your other bearing, put it in. Then grab your other bearing, then put it in. Then you got a fidget spinner. Mine is not working that good because it went on water. Oh, pro tip, fun fact. If you put these in water, this bearing inside will get rusty and not work as good. Because I put this in water, and now it's look at it. Example, you see this one, right? Pretty bad. And then I grab this one. Smooth like a baby's butt. Hope you enjoyed. Like and subscribe. Be a Maverick and peace.